Introducing the luxurious 2019 Audi A3 DBA 8VC in dazzling white. This hatchback features a powerful 1.4-litre petrol engine and a range of comfort and safety features, including air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, LED lights, and anti-collision braking. The exterior boasts a sleek aerial and spoiler, while the interior offers a boot light and luxury trim. With ABS, traction control, and hill start assist, you can drive confidently knowing you're protected. Additional features like a stop-start system, spare wheel, and powertrain warranty make this vehicle a top choice. Rest easy, knowing this Audi has had a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. For more information on this incredible car, call us or visit our website at windsor.ie today.